Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is string concatenation in Julia programming language. One of the most useful string operation is string concatenation. In Julia, there are two different ways for concatenate two strings, and these are absolutely different from any other programming languages. Let me show you. First of all, I am going to declare two strings. Okay, A equals hello, then B equals friends. Okay, now I am going to show you how to concatenate these two strings. Okay, in Julia programming language, there is an inbuilt function to concatenate strings. The function is string. Let me show you. String A, comma B. Okay, here you can see the output is hello friends. Using the string function, we can concatenate two strings. Okay, let me show you another way to concatenate two strings. Okay, A and B. Here also I am going to concatenate these two strings using the star operator. Okay, let me show you. A star B. If you want to give a space between two strings, then you can apply a double quotes. Okay, between the double quotes there is a single space. Okay, I am going to run this command. Here the output is also hello friends. In these two ways, in Julia programming language, we can concatenate strings. Okay, if you get how to concatenate strings in Julia programming language, if you like my video, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.